Hi YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, Investing in the Rockies. And in today's episode, we're going to be discussing exactly where I stand after 6 months of investing on Wealthsimple Trade. So in today's episode, we're going to take a deep dive into my portfolio and have a look at exactly how much I'm up and have a look at all my different holdings and see which holdings are up and which holdings are down. And I've also got a pretty big announcement to make in regards to my portfolio, which I'm really excited to talk about, so stay tuned for that. But before we get stuck into that, I just want to discuss the winner of last week's competition. Firstly, I just want to say I was blown away by the amount of people that entered the competitions. I had well over 100 comments, was not expecting that type of response, so thanks very much to everyone that entered. One thing I will say is that I did notice some fake accounts were entering the competition. I done my best to weed these out. Like, I noticed I got 10 subscribers all within a minute, and I went and checked and I looked and they all followed each other and stuff, so I was able to tell these were fake accounts. Somebody was just trying to win the money. So it did do my best to weed out the people that weren't real subscribers. If anyone had been subscribed to the channel before, or I knew someone had genuinely watched the video even, then they got entered into the competition. So I basically just wrote all the names down. I've done it the old school way, wrote all the names down on a piece of paper. So here we have all the names written down on 2 pieces of paper. So yeah, if you want to make sure your name's on it, you just hit pause and have a look for it. I cut them all up, I folded them all up, I stuck them in a hat, give it a jumble, and picked out the winner. So the winner is... That took a lot longer than expected. Didn't think it was going to take that long, but it got there in the end. All the names are cut up, folded up, and put in this hat. As you can see, I'm going to give it a ruffle around here. I'll sit down. I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to stick my hand in, ruffle it around. Take one from the bottom. Let's see here. Oh, we've got our winner, folks. We have got our winner. Let's see. Jamie Smith. Jamie, congratulations. You've won yourself a $40 Amazon gift card. I'm going to be sending it out on the email. So yeah, get in contact with me, Jamie. Leave a comment underneath this video with your email address or whatever. I'll leave you my email address and we'll get in contact. And I'll send you the $40. So congratulations, Jamie. Well done for winning the competition. And just want to say thank you very much for subscribing and commenting. I really do appreciate it. So just get in contact with your email address and I'm going to email you out the $40 Amazon gift card. But for now, let's get stuck into my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio and have a look. First of all, I just want to say the big announcement is I've finally hit the 5-figure club. I'm in the 5-figure club after 6 months of investing. Really proud of myself. Think I'm doing a really great job. But yeah, let's have a look at the exact numbers now. Boom. So here we go. Here we have it, folks. Here's my TFSA and Wealthsimple Trade. And as you can see, I finally hit the 5-figure club. I'm sitting on $10,258. All this is all time, so I'm up $743 all time, or 7.34%. To be up 7.34% after 6 months of investing, I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. That's a pretty good return. I can't really complain at all. I'm pretty pumped, to be honest. I've also earned nearly $100 in dividends, and if you just check out my last finance video, my last dividends video, I'll link it in the description below. It'll talk you through all the different dividends I've earned. So I've nearly earned $100 of dividends. I'm up $743 or 7.34% all time, and I'm finally in the 5-figure club. So that's pretty good. I think I'm pretty excited by that, pretty pumped with that. Now let's have a quick look at all the different holdings I have, and we'll just have a look at whether they're up or whether they're down. So first up we have Apple. Apple's actually been my best performer out of every stock that I own in my portfolio. I've only got one share, but I'm up $207 with Apple, with this Apple share. Apple's been skyrocketing in the last few weeks. So yeah, pumped with that. Air Canada, I'm up 50 cents. Bank of Nova Scotia, I'm still down $15. Carnival Cruise Companies, I'm still down $23. I bought them way as at the start of this pandemic and having that dollar cost average, so I haven't bought any more. So it could be a while before I see the positives in that stock, but I'm just going to hold on to it. I'm not going to sell it. Here we have the Canadian National Railway. I'm up nearly $40. Canadian Tire, I'm up $84. Delta Airways, I'm down $18. Enbridge, I'm down $10. Fortis, I'm down $5. GD, which is like an American company, up $60. So yeah, GD, I'm up $60. IBM, I've only got one share of IBM, and I'm up $3.60. Pepsi, got 3 shares of Pepsi, and I'm up nearly $20. Ryokan, this is a real estate investment trust. They pay out dividends every month, which is pretty nice. I've got 22 shares. I'm up $1.67, so just breaking even with these guys. Shaw Communications, it's like a Wi-Fi company here in Canada. Got 14 shares and I'm up $31, not too bad. Sun Life Financials, I've got 8 shares and I'm up $85. Pretty good performer, I'm pretty happy with that. Suncor Energy, this is like one of the biggest oil companies in Canada. I've got 14 shares with them, down $28. TELUS, this is another sort of Wi-Fi and telecommunications company here in Canada. I've got 20 shares and I'm up $31, not too bad. Toronto Dominion Bank, this company I'm pretty bullish with. I've got 12 shares and I'm up $44 or 6.32% with these guys. VDY, this is like an ETF. So as you know, ETFs are all different stocks all in the one stock. So they have many different companies all in one stock. So I got 24 shares. This is a high dividend paying ETF. They pay out their dividends every month, which is pretty sweet. And I'm up $78 with that. VRE, this is a rate. This is a rate ETF, so I'm down $3.40, pretty much breaking even. But they pay out dividends every month, so I'm receiving dividends. I can tell you for a fact I've received more than $3.40 from them in dividends. XIC, this is another ETF. I'm up $40. ExxonMobil, one of the biggest oil companies in America, I'm down $4, just about breaking even really. XRE, this is another ETF. I'm up $4, nearly $5. XUU, another ETF. I'm up nearly $30. And ZEB, which is like a banking ETF here in Canada, it's got all the big banks in it. I'm up $35. So yeah, there you have it, folks. There's a deep dive into my portfolio, sort of after the 6.5 month stage of investing. Pretty happy with my progress, and as you all know, I'm working towards financial freedom, and I'm going to do this through dividend stock investing. I want to earn a yearly income through dividends, and I'm going to document it all on YouTube. So please, if you want to see this journey and you want to pick up some tips for yourself, make sure you smash the like button and hit subscribe. So that's it for today's episode, folks. Hope everyone enjoyed that. Please stay tuned for much more, and I'll see everyone in the next episode. Take it easy.